Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use bubble face oil. Start your skincare routine by cleansing your face with a mild product. This step removes dirt and makeup, creating a clean canvas for the oil. Gently pat your skin dry, leaving a touch of moisture, as this helps the oil absorb better. Always make sure your hands are clean before touching your face to prevent transferring any bacteria. This careful preparation ensures maximum benefits from your bubble face oil. Now, let's apply the oil. Dispense about 2 or 3 drops of the bubble face oil into the palm of one hand. Gently rub your hands together for a few seconds to warm the oil, which enhances absorption. Then, lightly press the oil onto your face and neck, using soft, upward motions. This technique helps the oil penetrate deeply and evenly, nourishing your skin effectively. After applying, take about 60 seconds to gently massage the oil into your skin. Use small, circular motions, paying special attention to any dry patches or areas that need a little extra love. This massage stimulates blood flow and helps the oil penetrate more deeply. Give the oil 5 to 10 minutes to fully absorb before applying any other skincare products or makeup, ensuring its full efficacy. To get the most from your bubble face oil, incorporate it into your routine once or twice every day. Consistency is key for achieving a healthy, radiant complexion. Remember to store your oil in a cool, dark spot away from direct sunlight to maintain its potency. If you have sensitive skin, always do a small patch test first. Enjoy the nourishing benefits of this wonderful product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.